So, of course, you have your regulars, and I'm sure, like, that's where, tell me if I'm wrong, but, like, is that where, like, you build your regulars, is in the video chats? Like, because, like, you get that one-on-one, you get what do you call it? A rapport?
Yes. Yeah, but you can also do that within people that you're just messaging. Some guys don't even do the picture message thing. It's just straight text. So yeah, it's cool because you get if you're having like an off day and you just want to like sit and message people, you can do that. So that's exciting. I don't like so much doing the messaging only because it's then you're like glued to your phone because you could end like a role play and get the guy off. It's great, and then bam, there's another, and you're like, fuck. But I was supposed to cook dinner, and it's been 2 hours, and I'm just messaging.
Right, yeah.
I like the so I prefer the video or the phone calls just because then it's like I know what I'm doing, and then it's just that, and then I can go on and do other things, and I'm not glued to my phone.
Right. So, like, yeah, because with messaging, like, how does that pay? Like, what, like, per text or?
Yeah, so like I don't like if I send a message, you're not getting charged. If you send me a message and you have 300 characters per message space, then you pay whatever my rate would be. On Sex Panther, it starts at $1, and I think it can go as high as $5, I think, for a message.
All right. But yeah, because that's a lot of time. It seems like you got to put a lot of fucking time into that,
Yeah.
especially if you're a pecker typer like me, like oh damn, what the fuck, and then
Yeah.
spell check fucks it up, and you're like, oh, I can't send that. I'll look like a retard. Gotta fix it. That sounds like a pain in the ass. I'll go right to video.
Yeah, so that's why, yeah, I definitely prefer doing video calls and phone calls for sure.
So when you're in video calls, like like how far are you willing to go? You gonna do anything?
I actually just got the 11's fuck machine, so I'm really excited to incorporate that because that means that like the guys can remote control it. So I'm so excited about that. Yeah, so I do like masturbation shows. I have an electro wand, so if you're into like seeing girls be a little bit stimulated with a little bit of pain, I do that. Yeah, I have my vibrators. I have a clit sucker. Yeah, I have a butt plug, and I only use that. I don't do like I haven't branched right off into like doing full like dildo anal essentially yet. But
Uh-oh, I heard yet. All right.